Pairing your new Roku remote, step-by-step guide.
Hello, and welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to pair your new Roku remote when you don't have the old one. You'll be relieved to know that it's quite straightforward. Let's get started.
What will you need?
Firstly, it's important to know what you need for this process. You'll need the new Roku remote and your Roku device. Make sure your Roku device is turned on and connected to your TV.
Starting the pairing process.
Now let's start the pairing process. Locate the pairing button on your new Roku remote. This button is usually found in the battery compartment at the back of the remote. 1. Remove the battery cover on your Roku remote. 2. You will see the pairing button at the bottom of the battery compartment.
Pairing the new remote.
Now, let's pair the new remote to your Roku device. 1. Press and hold the pairing button on your Roku remote for 3 seconds. 2. You'll see a pairing light start to flash on the remote. This means the remote is in pairing mode. 3. The Roku device will automatically detect the remote and start the pairing process. Remember, you need to be near the Roku device for the remote to pair successfully.
Confirming the pairing.
Lastly, you need to confirm that the remote has been successfully paired. 1. Check your TV screen. 2. If successful, you will see a confirmation message saying your Roku remote is paired. 3. If you can navigate through the Roku interface using your new remote, then you've successfully paired the remote with your Roku device. And that's it. You've successfully paired your new Roku remote. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy your Roku experience with your new remote. Remember, if you face any issues, don't hesitate to refer back to this guide or seek help from Roku's official support.